I don't know what to do. Maybe I could, I'm gonna go watch TV. Wait, no. Somebody else is on the TV. What did I do? Hey, oh, I didn't see you there. Hey, Care. This is a camera. I'm Care Bear. Yeah. I got some guy holding me. He's Duffy. His name's Duffy. And, yeah. I just wanted to say, Duffy, he makes, like, plush videos, but enough of that. But what did I do? I think I should, I don't know what to do. I can't watch TV. Maybe I can call a friend over. Let's go call a friend over. Yay. Haha, Boone, can you come over? Why not? It's only for like, oh, you can? Okay, thanks. You can come over? Okay. You can? Okay. Bye. Alright, so I guess he can come over, so yay! And camera, stop watching me, stop recording. Yay! So I don't know what to do. Wait, I think I hear him knocking. Yay, let's go here.
Thanks for letting me in, Care Bear. But, what are you doing?
Just resting.
Oh, you're resting? Okay. Well, what can I do? Wait, why is there a camera here? I've never seen this camera before in my life. Wait, what? Are you filming this?
I don't know why the camera fell still, so I guess I will leave it.
Okay, dude. I'm kind of suspicious about this camera. I don't know where it came from.
I don't know either. I'd be kind of suspicious too.
Oh, well, okay then. I guess we can go now. But, I'm gonna go maybe. I think I'll go because this camera looks kind of suspicious.
Okay, dude, goodbye.
Oh, goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye.
Oh, now that he's gone, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Doritos! Nah, eat my Doritos. Look, I'm getting tired of the Doritos. What else do I want? Maybe I want, I don't know what I want. You know what? Forget it. I don't know what I'm doing right here, but I don't know why there's a camera right here. Just recording me. It's not like some guy is holding me and making a video, is it? I don't know, but I'm gonna leave. Go watch TV.
Hi guys, it's me, Super Raccoon Duffy, and right now, you just watched my video. That was this was my first video. By the way, my real name is Duffy. This is my face. It's my fabulous face. So you just watched my video. It was me playing this bear. I did the voices and stuff, and I held this bear because I love this bear. I'm gonna be using him for my plush videos. And then Mickey, come here.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I did the voice of the lamb. I'll go get him. See, I did the voice of this lamb right here. So, yeah.
Yeah, also I have an uncle whose name is Mario. He has a few games, with his brother Luigi, who's on vacation. And, he's in the next video, that I make, he does the voice of this raccoon thing. And then I have a friend named Sam, who does this voice of, like, what's it called again? A duck. He does the voice of a duck. So that's pretty cool. And I don't want them to come over here right now, though, because they're in the kitchen. I might make Chef Buttcrack do some stuff, but nah, I don't want to make Chef Buttcrack do stuff. Wait, Chef Buttcrack. What do you want? Can you help me with my videos? No, I gotta cook them quick. Okay. Yeah, he's in the kitchen, but He's taking a break and just sitting on the steps. So, hopefully you enjoyed. Bye! I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. Also, Best.TDM fan subscribed to me, which is cool. And I subscribed back because I love his channel. And Best.TDM fan inspired me to make plush videos. So, bye everybody! Oh, Mickey, can you turn the camera off? I want to stand right here.
Okay, I'll turn the camera off.
Wait, yeah, bye everybody! Mickey, turn the camera off.
I am.
Okay, thanks Mickey. Bye!